In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Chat does not have an archive option. Instead, use Hide Conversation. If you've been hunting for an archive button in Google Chat and can't find it, you're not overlooking anything. There simply isn't one. The closest equivalent is a feature called Hide Conversation. Hiding a chat removes it from your main list so things look tidy, but it doesn't delete your messages or erase history. You can bring the conversation back at any time. Here's how to use it confidently. First, open Google Chat. You can do this in the app or in your browser, whichever you prefer. Give it a moment to load your recent messages so everything is up to date. Next, find the conversation you want to clear from view. This could be a one-on-one chat, a group thread, or even a space. Scroll through your list until you spot the one you want to hide. When you've found it, either click the chat name to open it, or click the three dots next to the chat in your list to open the Options menu. Both routes lead to the same place, so use whatever feels most natural to you. From the menu, choose Hide Conversation. You may see a brief confirmation, and then the chat disappears from your main conversation list. Don't worry, nothing has been deleted. Your full message history is still there, and you can pick up right where you left off whenever you need. Now, let's bring that conversation back. At the top of Google Chat, use the search bar. Start typing the person's name, the group name, or even a keyword from the conversation. As you type, suggestions will appear. Select the conversation from the results to open it. Once you open the chat, it's effectively unhidden and will reappear in your list as activity continues. From here, you can read past messages, send a new one, and keep working without missing a beat. If you want to declutter again later, you can hide it the same way. A couple of quick reminders to keep in mind. Hiding is not deleting, so your message history and notification settings stay intact. If someone sends a new message in a hidden chat, you'll still be able to find it by searching, and it will return to your list when you open it. Think of Hide Conversation as a simple way to keep your workspace clean without losing anything important. And that's it. Now you know how to keep Google Chat organized, even without an archive button.